Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add VAT on your Zoho Invoice. So first, you want to open your browser and you want to go to Zoho Books. So if you're unfamiliar with Zoho Books, it's actually a great platform by Zoho that can help you to manage your business finances. So once you are here, you want to log in into your Zoho account, then you're going to click on Access Zoho Books. And from here, you want to locate the settings, which you'll be able to find over here at the top right. So click on the gear icon to access the settings. Then you want to look for taxes and compliance. Then you're going to click on taxes under that option. And once you're here, you'll immediately be brought to taxes, and you'll also be able to see your active taxes over at this page. So in order to add a VAT, you're going to click on new tax over here. That's also represented by a plus icon. Then you're going to enter the tax name, which is going to be VAT. Then you're going to input the rate or the percentage of this VAT tax. So it could be 5 or 10% or whatever. Then once you've done that, just click on save over here at the bottom. And that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.